Remember that Utah mom of 3 accused of fatally poisoning her husband with that fentanyl-laced Moscow Mule and then writing a children's book about grief?
I just watched the struggle that my kids were going through. And I actually, I went on Amazon and Barnes & Noble and trying to find something that we could use to cope at nights. Nights are the hardest, it seems like, for everybody when, dealing with anything. But I just wanted some story to read to my kids at night. And I just could not find anything. I couldn't find anything that really, suited them or helped them find comfort and peace. And so, I was like, let's just write one.
She appeared in court yesterday, almost a year to the day after her initial arrest for the murder of her husband, Kouri Richins. A preliminary hearing will take place tomorrow where the judge is going to decide, is there enough evidence for Richins to go to trial? Prosecution says she was after his money. She was in debt, over $3 million, and having an affair. Before Eric's death, Kouri Richins allegedly purchased multiple life insurance policies without his knowledge, trying to make herself the beneficiary. And then after his death, she received about $1.3 million in payouts. Prosecutors also say that Richins was looking to divorce Eric after consulting divorce attorneys. The judge ordered Monday that information from the consultation with the divorce lawyers has to be handed over to the prosecution, and this over the strong objection from that divorce law firm.
I think the state's entitled to some information about what's in there. Dates, basic summary, basic privilege log material.
We do this under extreme objection based on the impact that it could have on attorney-client privilege and the way that we represent our clients.
I don't think we're doing damage to the sanctity of the attorney-client privilege by asking for a basic log here.
So they got to turn it over. Richins is facing charges including first-degree murder and lots of other charges. Joining me now, Clayton Simms, criminal defense attorney based in Utah, who's been following this case closely. Clayton, thanks for coming back on the show. Appreciate it. All right. So it seems to me that it's almost certain that the judge is going to determine that there is enough evidence to move forward, right?
Right. It's a low standard, and most certainly there's enough evidence to go forward to trial.
And, the text messages that were released relatively recently, I think are going to become pretty significant. This is Kouri Richins texting with her lover. This is about 2 weeks before he's dead. I want you today, every day, not just sexually, but physically, mentally, every day when I wake up. I want a future together. I do want you to figure out life together. If we could just go away and you could just be here, it would be so perfect. I love you. And then on the day he dies, the boyfriend or the paramour text messages her a photograph of 2 people kissing that was captioned, "Love you," and she responded, "Love you," with a kiss emoji. I mean, this is not helpful when you combine it with the other evidence in this case.
Right. It shows her mental state. Not everyone that has an affair is a killer,
Right.
But it can be a motive to eliminate your husband, to inherit money, to get the life insurance proceeds. So rather than the innocent, sweet children's book author and mom, they're trying to paint her as someone involved in an affair.
Do you think part of the defense here is going to be, come on, you think she actually would have really gone and written a book about this if she was guilty?
Right. They have to say that that's coming from a place of pain, that she was unexpected death, that's a way for her to heal is to write that book. So they have to put their best case forward. And, the reality is that everything will come out at trial. What's on her phone, what information is there, it's all part of it.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your cable provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.